So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can monetize your Facebook profile. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Facebook. And then once we open up Facebook here, go to the top left hand corner, click on the three lines. And from the main settings page, go down, click on the settings option. And then you want to then click on settings under settings and privacy. So once we do this, what we now need to do is scroll down until we see the option for Pro Mode. So Pro Mode will be located under Audience and Visibility here, and then you want to click on it. From here, what you can now do is go to the top and click on Profile Recommendation, which will then bring you over to this page and where it says more about your profile. Under there will now be an option for monetization. If we click on this, that will then bring you over to here. Now, unfortunately, at the moment, my account is not eligible, but if you meet the eligibility, you will then be able to monetize your Facebook account through various different methods. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can monetize your Facebook account.